Right, first of all, shout out NetBeans for it's like not working or not loading, so I have to actually do this on the pictures and or code I had a screenshot. So this is first of all proof that it works. So what it does is basically after you're converting from, you say what you're converting from, and then you type the quantity, and then in pounds it's 1. Obviously there should be a space there by CBA. So first of all, obviously this would look different in Java, but NetBeans is just being annoying. I can prove it. So we start here, package Java application 22, that's just a name, and we just let that load. So first of all, input Java util scanner. That is basically the thing which allows you to be able to get a user input. Then this part, public static void main args, that's just the main part of the code where the main code goes. System.out.println, where you're converting from, that gets the output. Scanner sc equals, we only need 2 inputs for this, and those 2 inputs will come from, within there you need 2 variable inputs. So you need multiple inputs to be able to say what your, like which number, but obviously that can be done using else if. So here, what are you converting from? Scanner sc, and the string done equals sc.next line. That basically says that, well, it's very self-explanatory. It's a string done. Done is basically like what you're converting from, and it is sc.next line. So that's the next thing. So now a series of if statements. So there are like better ways of doing it, but this is for like absolute beginners. So if done.equals Celsius, this happens, so it converts into Kelvin. I don't think that is how you convert into Kelvin, but we move. Then it is if done equals Kelvin, then you do the opposite. So on and so forth for kilometer, meter, pound and pennies. And that is literally it. So basically it is a series of however many things you want to convert to or from. That's how many if statements you need. This still doesn't work. And you just need a simple maths for all of it. You need 2 user inputs. One saying what you're going to convert from, and one saying the value of which you're converting with. That's about it.